Okay, here number 8. What is difficult about question 8 is that you don't know if what image it is. You have to draw it, but the hard part of drawing the image is you're wondering, how do you know it's a right triangle? The reason why you know it's a right triangle is because it's mentioned things like angle of elevation or angle of depression. Okay, so the first one, the image looks like this. How do you know that the 1,503 is actually the hypotenuse? It's because the signal looks something like this, okay, where the weather balloon is at the center, and from there it pulses out as the radius. So that's like the signal. So that's how you know the radius is 1,503. So from here, you can set up a trig ratio. The trig ratio here, it is a tan because you have the opposite, which is x, which is going to be the height, and then the hypotenuse, which is 1,503. Okay, multiply both sides, and then solve for x. X is approximately 986.1 meters. Okay, the next one, it looks like this. The angle of depression from that person is 18 degrees, but you can draw another triangle below it, and if from the person angle of depression is 18, the angle of elevation from the ship's point of view is 18, and the reason why is because of alternate interior angles are congruent. So this is 18, this is also 18. So from here, you can set it up however you want, but you're trying to find the distance from the base of the statue to the ship, which is just x. Here, I think this is a tan, okay, because you have the opposite, which is 210, and your adjacent, which is just x. So multiply x to both sides, then divide by tan, 18. You get x is approximately 769.4. The last one, you're looking for the angle. It is that tall, 282, and that's the shadow, which is 137. Here, this is also a tan because you have opposite is 282 and the adjacent is 137. You're finding the angle, so you're trying to use the inverse. So tan inverse, which is theta, the angle is tan inverse 282 divided by 137, which is 64.1 degrees.